January 30th, 2021. My name is Eric Haluzik with All Corners Home Inspections. This is the roof evaluation for the single-family home here in Sweet Home, Oregon. As with all the videos in this report, we would request that you view this video as supplemental to the written version of the report to which this video has been attached. At the time of inspection, there were a number of reportable challenges with the components surrounding this single-family home's roof. That said, an Oregon home inspection does not include a roof warranty, meaning we make no claims as to this roof's ability to keep water out of the ceiling voids and attic spaces for the living space below. There are companies, typically insurance companies, which will offer such insurance policies. Oregon home inspectors are specifically forbidden by the Oregon Construction Contractors Board from making such claims. We have loose shingles at the rear slope of the structure, sort of surrounding and around this metal chimney stack here. There are what we believe to be insufficient attic ventilation condition here at this home. We only see a total of 4 roof vents. Customarily, or normally, we would see probably maybe double this number to properly ventilate the ceiling void or attic space for the living space below. There are cracks along the ridge line of the roof structure. You don't typically see leaks at those locations unless you have excess snow load. There are a number of flashing issues at the structure and a low slope condition that we can't really evaluate because it's covered, because it's actually physically covered. We have a sidewall flashing that appears to be missing, and also a missing kickout. There would be a little flashing section here that would force water into the gutter rather than running onto the face of the siding at that location. Turning our attention to the intersection between the main home and this sort of covered causeway area, we have a low sloped, this is that low sloped swale location. We can't really tell whether or not this area was properly prepped for 3-tab style roofing, and then where this roofing structure intersects with the sidewall of the house, it appears as if someone's used roofing like mastic or tar to create a seal between the siding and the home. This is a good temporary measure, but over time what we'll note is, and you can see the condition here, you see cracking in between the sidewall and the roof itself. It becomes sort of excessively difficult to create a good seal between the roof line and the sidewall of the house. This sort of seal is generally and in best practice performed by metal flashing, an L-shaped flashing that runs up behind the course of siding, and then of course either on top of or underneath the roofing material depending on the application. This tar or caulking material is in poor condition and appears to have been reapplied a number of times. This would be considered a direct water entry point at the time of the inspection. The roof flashing is in generally poor condition with lots of loose drip edges and missing drip edges between the roof line and the gutters, and we recommend an evaluation by a licensed roofing contractor for all of these challenges. This has been Eric Haluzik with All Corners Home Inspections.